All right, everybody, back with some more Lowheat. This is, if you watch my other video, this is another classic, but this is a true classic. So I had to, I got lucky, cop these off of Sneakers. But that being said, these weren't super hard to cop. Now this is a first for me. This is dope. Now this is the Air Max 90 infrared, but aka what they're calling these is everything OG, so they're calling it the Air Max 3 radiant red because the red apparently matches better to the original. And so this is cool. They did everything, they tried to keep everything retro, and they did a retro box on these. So this is cool, hence that huge shipping box they gave them in, because their regular ones don't fit this. There it is, style code and everything. I mean, I don't think they had QC barcodes back in the day, but this is the tighter fitting Nike box that Sneakers used to come in. There's radiant red, infrared, and then the original, what they originally called these Air Max 3s. 90, I think because it came out in 1990 is why they call it now. Oh, here's some more in the packaging. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, please, all three viewers. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that's cool. I don't know if the boxes from back then had this quote on it. Again, let me know in the comments. Oh, and like, follow, subscribe, do that stuff too if you want to see more Lowheat. Again, a million people do these reviews of high heat and stuff, so you can go elsewhere on YouTube and the internet for that stuff. I try to hit some of the stuff that you might be more likely to actually be able to cop, and stuff that goes under the radar, doesn't get talked about as much than like the PlayStation Travis Scott dunks. So I like getting this stuff and showing it to y'all just because it's cool. More than just the hype pairs of shoes are cool. And so this is my first pair of Air Max 90s. I've wanted the Off-White Desert Ores for a long time. They're like a partial grail for me, but I don't know if I want to drop resale price on them. So these I'm gonna keep in the collection. And this is pretty dope. They came with the hang tag, and they tried to keep everything, like I said, OG. So there's a look. Now they said this isn't infrared. This is more radiant red, and I don't have a pair on hand to compare, but these are definitely clean, definitely classics. I'm gonna be happy to keep these in the collection. Rock these. These are definitely affordable. You can get these. And some sizes are just available on stores, depending on the sizes. Some sizes are available. If you have super big feet, super small feet, they're just readily available. Now, if you have kind of like, air quotes, normal size feet, kind of like mine, those are pretty much sold out everywhere. Maybe you could get lucky, but for the most part, normal men's sizes are sold out. But that being said, resale on these is not much higher than retail. So I definitely suggest, if you want a pair, you go out and get them now rather than like when these start to climb. I think these might have they have arch supports. They include the arch supports just like the OG pair did. These might start to climb. This specifically, like they've re-released these before in the past, and they're not all that much. In 2010, I think, 2015. But I think these might climb a little bit just because of the OG packaging and what they tried to do here. So these might have slightly more long-term value just for the nostalgia sake of the box and some of this stuff, some of these details. So I do recommend, if you want a pair, go ahead, spend the extra $20 above resale or retail and get these. Super clean. I think any sneakerhead or Air Max fan has to have these in their collection. It's just kind of a must. I think these are great too. Sidebar, I think these are a great gift for any dads out there to get your dads, or what I mean is to get dads. And there's a great, like, dad shoes are in. This is nostalgic. Dads can feel comfortable in these because they're not too far off from what they would wear, and at the same time be pretty sick on the streets of their suburbs, raking the leaves. So I suggest these as a good Father's Day gift too, as well, or holiday gift. Anyways, if you like this video or want to see more Low Heat, please subscribe to the channel and check out more of what I got coming soon.